In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices with AutoPay in QuickBooks Online. We'll begin right from your QuickBooks dashboard. First, click New in the top left, then select Invoice. Create the invoice just like you normally would. Choose the customer, add your products or services, set quantities, rates, and taxes, and double-check the terms, memo, and any custom fields you usually include. Treat this as your template example, so everything reads exactly the way you want future invoices to look. When the invoice looks good, click Manage at the top right. A panel will slide in on the right side of the screen. In that panel, open the scheduling settings. Turn on Make Invoice Recurring. This tells QuickBooks to convert what you've built into a reusable template that generates future invoices for you, so you're not rebuilding it each time. Next, enter a clear template name. Use something you'll recognize later, like the customer name and frequency. Choose the template type and how many days in advance the invoice should be created or sent. For most businesses, a scheduled template works best because QuickBooks will automatically create and send the invoice on the schedule you define. You'll also see options to send emails automatically, include unbilled charges, and similar automation preferences. If your account supports online payments and AutoPay, this is also where you can enable the payment methods you accept so your customer can set up automatic payments from the invoice email. AutoPay typically requires your payments feature to be turned on and your customer's authorization, but once it's set, future invoices on this template can be paid automatically. Set the start date for the template and choose how often it repeats. Pick the interval that matches your agreement, such as every week, month, or quarter, and decide whether the schedule ends on a specific date or after a certain number of occurrences. This keeps billing aligned with your contract and helps you avoid open-ended schedules you don't intend. Give everything a final review. Confirm the customer details, message, payment options, and the send settings, especially if emails will go out automatically. When you're confident, save the template. That's it. Your recurring invoice with AutoPay preferences is now ready, and QuickBooks will handle the schedule for you. As a best practice, monitor the first cycle to make sure emails are delivered and payments post as expected. If your screen looks a little different, look for the same scheduling and recurring options in the invoice or template area. The names are consistent, even if the layout varies.